Hey you guys, welcome back. So I am in Dollar Tree and I'm just walking through to see what we can find. Hopefully I find something new, but you never know with Dollar Tree, and so hopefully you guys will just walk with me. So over here they have all their basket stuffers out, and so I guess we'll take a look at that stuff first. You got these little vans with the little boats that you can put in the baskets. They got all kinds of dolls. Down here, let's see, these cute little cars. They got the slime. I showed these in a different video. I actually opened it up and it was really hard to hold because it was so wet, like watery, but it doesn't make your hands feel wet or anything. It's weird. It's actually weird. Pooh Bear liked it. I didn't like it so much, but it's cool to buy all of that for $1. They got the little fake little My Little Ponies, even though these are super cute. They have it in pink and purple, and they do come with a little comb. All the little bracelets. The brain teaser toys. And I believe they got different ones. Sometimes they come with different ones. I don't see any other ones. Here's some more slime. This is the glitter slime, and they come in different colors. Here's some balls with the glitter in them. This one has like some of that stuff. I forgot what tinsel. It looks like tinsel. Here's more slime. This is actually the one that makes that fart sound that little boys love. So they have that. Then down here they got some squishy slime, Play-Doh. They got the chalk eggs. Egg-shaped chalk, 6 pieces. That's definitely not bad for $1. Here's some more of the dry erase boards that I showed. That cute one like that. And there's a penguin as well. What are these? Drawing boards. They got some silly putty. And then all their little dollhouse stuff. Down here is some little art kits. And that's Mickey Mouse. What comes in it? Oh, some stickers. 5 coloring pages. Some watercolor paints. 14 stickers and 1 brush. That'll be cute as a stocking. As an Easter basket stuffer. I'm thinking of Christmas. Then they do have the little sun catchers that you can paint. Here's some yo-yos. And some army men, jump ropes, and footballs, and more cars. And then they got the blocks, the little Lego kind of like toys. Oh, this is cute too. Little Lego blocks inside of a car. Okay, these are super cute. These little lollipop rings. Look at that. So they're little rings that are, look at that little carrot, rabbit, the eggs, and the little chick. And then they got these peanut butter filled eggs, white chocolate. Oh, I'm surprised these haven't sold out already, but they do have more of the candles. There's the, remember I showed the pink one. Here's the blue one, and the blue one said, "You are mermazing." Here's the unicorn in silver, and then here's the one in gold. More of the fur flip-flops. They still got these cute containers. I like the back, how you can see the feet, but I only see the 2 sizes. The bigger ones must have sold out. So they still have those 2 sizes. Oh, they got some cute little ducks that's coming out of an egg. I see pink, blue, and white. Look at all of this ribbon. Look at that. And these are large rolls. I like that floral one. And these are wired. Oh, I love their window decorations because I use these as regular stickers, like if I'm sending a package to somebody. So I see that. What else is back here? That one with the cute little chick. Look at her hair. That is adorable. Oh, look at her riding a train. Okay. And is there any more back there? No, just the rabbit. Oh, look at these magnets. Look at that. That one has like the little llama, then a butterfly. This one says go for it, and then brave. I also see the stars. That one, girl boss, and beautiful. And then this one is cute. It has cactus, pineapples, fierce, and no problema. No problema. And then we got some jumbo paper clips. Okay, those are cute. And these are really, really big too. And that's the only colors that I see. Yeah. But over here, there's some more of the tape dispensers. So you got the blue donut, the purple one, and this green one. Oh, look, they got some new stickers. These are cute, and these are the handmade kind. So you got the little animals. Look at the pig, he's super happy. Then you got these birds right here. Those are cute. Okay, but I really like this one with the spring. You got the bike and all the flowers, pretty pastel colors. Then you got these flowers. Here's this one. Okay, I like those. And then down here I also see some sea creatures. That turtle is cute. Really cute. This one is really cute. It says good vibes only. Look at that. And so it would look like that. And I love the purples and the blue on that one. So far that is the only one I see that's new besides this one for little boy's room. And you got all of these trucks. I think there's some on the back. Yeah. Those are nice. And that's the only ones that really stand out. The rest of them have been here. I saw these the other day when I was at Dollar Tree, and I did post them on Instagram. So if you follow me, you've seen these. But these are the cute little collapsible storage containers. And they have a few. So you have Life's a Beach, Enjoy the Waves in blue. Then there's the pink one that says keep calm and get organized. And these are 9 by 7. So they're not the biggest. They're kind of small, but they're still cute. Then they have Be a Mermaid and Make Waves. And the last one is Good Vibes Only. Okay, this section is completely stocked with Bolero. Like Bolero everything. You got the shower gels, you got the shampoos and the conditioners. Here's the coconut and rose oil set. You got the coconut and verbena, the watermelon, the peonies and pear. You got all the bath bombs. And then there's still a lot of the pineapple and coconut. And then right next to that is the bathtub sticker things that I showed in my other video. I haven't put them in my tub yet, but I'm gonna give them a try soon. These are the ones I got, the fish, but then those were the shells, and then they have the flowers. I couldn't remember when I was recording, but that's what they had. And look at here, you guys, they still got a few cans of the jalapenos left over. These were the 6-pound ones that I showed. So has any of you guys been able to find the 6 pounds of the jalapenos, or was it just at my store? Because I haven't seen anybody else haul them. It probably was just something in our area where they were able to put them out here or something like that. But I was just wondering who else has found that big can of jalapenos. Over here by the registers, here's the LED pineapples. Super cute. The lights change colors on those. And they still have a bunch of these. Girl Boss. They got some cosmetic bags that look like this. The purple one is really pretty. Still got all the notebooks. Here's some more of the pineapple trays. And there's another of the cactus that kind of looks just like it. Randomly put there. Look at these cute tissues. They even have the pineapple on there. Oh, back here I spotted one of the pineapples. So those were just randomly up here. I'm really just going down each register to see what they have, because they tend to put all the goodies up here for some reason. Here's some more cosmetic bags. More of those unicorn lip glosses. And then here's the keychains that I just recently found. The really cute ones. My favorite. And then this one. So those are up here. What are these? Oh, the other cosmetic bags. They have the mini fans. Here's the notebooks, the donut notebooks, and the matching pens. And then they even brought these back, the little fluffy pens that they have. Oh, they still got some of these framed mirrors. These are really pretty. I think people were DIYing with these and spray painting them. You guys see my Bob Ross shirt? Look in the mirror. Good vibes only, my Bob Ross. But yeah, these were cute, and I only seen them in black. Okay, they still got these out. The live, the love. There's family. And then they had the laugh right here, and memories. And for some reason, every time I come into the Dollar Tree, I find more pictures that I haven't seen. Look at this one. I like that. It has the gold foil on it. Look at that. That's really pretty. What else was in here? Actually, I'm going to have to put these down here so I can kind of get a better look. Let's do it like this. So that. This one, she's beautiful with the gold foil. This flower, look at the middle. You have a farm, or a barn, I should say. You have her. I think I've seen this one before. Oh, look at that. I like that. Oh, I think I'm gonna get this one. I think I want that. This one, Farm Fresh. That bathtub, that's pretty, like a watercolor, purple and gold. That one, this bathtub or bath sink, sorry about that. It's pretty. Look at these flamingos. I'm gonna have to fix these. Look at that. That's pretty. Those cups with all the gold foil. And then here's another blue watercolor. Yeah, I'm going to get this one. I think that's pretty. I'm not sure if these are new, but I've never seen these before. Freshly baked with love. Let's see. This kitchen is seasoned with love. There's a lot. I'm not going to go through all of them. People who love to eat are always the best people. I would have to agree. Because I always say, when people be hungry, you know, they get angry. So when you're full, you're a much happier person. Homemade with love from Mother's Kitchen. Today's menu, take it or leave it. So see, there's a bunch right here that I'm not going to go through all of them because it's just stacked up. But I think some of those are cute. So over in the kitchen area, I see this Mrs. Fields square, fill, and flip. Non-stick coating. Okay, look at that. So it's 2 pieces, but what does it mean, fill and flip? Oh, so you get the 2 middle, you get the 2 pans, you can fill the middle and then flip the cakes on top of each other. That's what I'm assuming. I think I'm gonna get this. Let me see. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get this. Do I need it? No, not really. I don't really like to bake too much, but my son does. So I think I should take this. And then look at these cute little fashion dolls. So you have this one right here, and then you have her with the orange hair. And they also come with the little clothes. Look at this, has the shoes and the purses. These would be cute to go inside of an Easter basket. And you can even get other outfits, but they look too tall. This outfit, it says fashion doll, but I think these clothes are a little too big. So unless there's a different fashion doll that these go to, I don't know, but these outfits are cute. So I see that one, I see this one. I think these would fit on a regular Barbie doll. If so, these would be cute little outfits to get. Oh, look at that one. It has some shorts and a little shirt, purse, and shoes. Yeah, so those are the only ones I see. And then these cute little ducks right here. Look at that nurse. That is super cute. I think that's all I see in here is the nurse and him, police officer. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's Dollar Tree run. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Look at these little pails down here. These are cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye, you guys. Oh, look at that one. That's pretty. So some of them, this one has like the ribbon handle and this one has a regular handle.